बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं हमारा चैनल क्वालिफाई एजुकेशन एकेडमी। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि लेक्चरर एजुकेशन की तैयारी के हवाले से रिटन टेस्ट और इंटरव्यू के लिए हम लोग कैप्सूल एजुकेशन बाय राय मनसब अली की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और अपने वीडियो लेक्चर्स के ज़रिए से मैं इस पूरी बुक को कवर करने जा रही हूँ। तो हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप कुछ पेजेस डेली जो है वो कवर किया करेंगे ताकि ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो की वजह से आप लोग बोरियत का शिकार भी ना हो जाए और ये पूरी की पूरी जो बुक है उसको हम गो थ्रू भी कर सकें। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपने आज की वीडियो। लेकिन वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप लोग चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो उसे लाइक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस बुक के हवाले से जितनी भी वीडियोस अपलोड की जाएं वो आप तक टाइम टू टाइम पहुंचती रहे और आप इसे मिस ना कर सकें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वन वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग आउट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन क्लासरूम इज ऑब्जर्वेशन। व्हेन, व्हाट, व्हाई एंड हाउ टू टीच इज द मेन टास्क ऑफ एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी. A system that includes an interactive whiteboard, a computer, a projector, and whiteboarding software for teaching and learning process is a smart board. What type of graphic chart is suitable for depicting the rise of cancer rates in the past 4 decades? Line graph. Distributive handouts. Distribute handouts during, not before the speech presentation. Visual aids should be visible as they are referred to in the speech. Which is the following is a reason to use a handout to aid the audience with reference material. The research participants are described in detail in which section of the research plan. Introduction. Socio-situation theory of learning is linked with Bandura. Use of reward and punishment is a behavioral theory. Ibn Khaldun is founding father of history. The IQ of mentally backward children is less than 70. The intelligent students participate in the educative process actively and can only perform simple tasks. The dull students require special attention. The gifted children exhibit extraordinary performance, question to know, and solve their problems easily. The two-factor theory of intelligence was proposed by Spearman और ये जो टू फैक्टर्स थे ये इनमें एक स्पेसिफिक फैक्टर और एक जनरल फैक्टर शामिल थे। Physically weak children are ridiculed, victims of inferiority complex and poor in educational achievement. Domain of educational objectives that encompasses knowledge and intellectual development is called cognitive domain. Who is the father of modern theory of management? Henry Fayol. The smallest interacting part of the system are called components. A curriculum is blueprint or plan of the school that includes experiences for the learner. Who has made the classification of sciences? Al-Ghazali. Mention the name of book which was written by Al-Ghazali. Ihyaul Ulumuddin. Al-Ghazali is known as Hujjatul Islam. Detailed contents of the subject for a class is called course. Percentage of knowledge gained through observation or vision is 75%. Behaviorism is associated with B.F. Skinner. If a student has an age of 11 years, from psychological point of view, he or she is placed in adolescence. In educational setting, the term borderline persons have an IQ level from 70 to 79. Ibn Khaldun's name is associated with Asabiya. IQ in educational setting is measured through CA by MA multiplied by 100. इसमें CA chronological age है, MA mental age है और यहाँ पे इकबाल लिखा गया है, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करने का साइन आएगा और 100 तो CA by MA multiplied by 100 इसका फॉर्मूला होगा. The first emotional expression to appear in infant is general excitement. Which of the following types of ability is measured by intelligence? Verbal. IQ is an index of rate of mental development. The function of educator is to lead the child near reality in the educational philosophy of realist. Tentative thought or guesses made about a problem is called hypothesis. What type of research would be least likely to include a research hypothesis? Descriptive research. Which of the following statements sounds like a null hypothesis? There is no difference between means and scores. If the results of the test and retest are the same, it is in fact reliability. The degree to which a least measure what it the degree to which a test measure what it is supposed to measure is validity. The ultimate focus of scientific method is on formulation of a law or theory. The type of research was which deals with the classroom problems. Action research. Aristotle believed that the true aim of education was the attainment of happiness, which was possible only through perfect virtue. According to Socrates, education refers to the process of discovering the principles of truth, beauty, and good and acquiring the individual with them. The degree to which a test consistently measures whatever it measures is called reliability. The emphasis in the classroom should be on the needs of individual child. What is the foundation out of which comes the objectives of education? Philosophy. What cannot be thought cannot be real is according to idealism. In stating the purpose of education, pragmatists would probably stress the need for experience in democratic social processes. What is andragogy? Teaching adult. Pedagogy word comes from the ancient Greek pedagogos and compound comprised of pedos and agogos, which means leading the child. Who is the teacher of Plato? Socrates. Who is the teacher of Aristotle? Uh, who is the teacher of Aristotle? Plato. Who is the teacher of Alexander the Great? Aristotle. Name the educator who wrote the first children's textbook containing vivid illustrations entitled The Visible World in Picture. Who is known as the father of modern education. Comenius. During the 1700s, which philosopher presented his methodology on the education of children in his novel Emile? The story of the education of a young boy. Rousseau. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, John Henry Astrology, a pedagogue and educational reformer, greatly influenced the development of the educational system in Europe and America. He belonged to Switzerland. Which German educator made substantial advances in children's education, particularly the invention of the kindergarten system for young children? Frederick William August Froebel, who advocated five formal steps in teaching in his work Universal Pedagogy 1906, which were translated into a practical teaching methodology. John Frederick Herbert. What are the five formal steps in teaching which were introduced by John Frederick Herbert? Preparation, presentation, association, generalization, and application. The idea of basic education is propounded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The moral judgment of the child is written by Jane Piaget. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, known as UNESCO, is a specialized agency of the UN established in 1945. The Equilibration of Cognitive Structures is written by Jane Piaget. People often use talking in oral communication. What is the type of survey studies in educational research? Descriptive. Motivation created by external factors such as reward and punishment. Extrinsic motivation. Measurement reliability refers to the consistency of the scores. What is the procedure instrument used for measuring sample of behavior? Test. Which term is broader in meaning? Aims. The term limited to quantitative descriptive of description of pupils is measurement. Example of psychomotor domain is that student perform an experiment. What is assessment criteria? The qualities against which a learner's performance is judged is called assessment criteria. For example, assessment criteria for judging learners' writing may be accuracy of grammar, use of vocabulary, spelling and punctuation, organization of ideas. The Child's Construction of Reality is written by Jane Piaget. Charles Woods Charles Wood, the president of the Board of Control of the English East India Company, had an important effect on spreading education in India when in 1854 he sent a dispatch to Lord Dalhousie, Governor General of India. In accordance with Charles Wood dispatch, education departments were established in every province and the University of Calcutta, the University of Bombay and the University of Madras in 1857, as well as the University of the Punjab in 1882 and the University of Allahabad in 1887. There are three parts of research report or paper: preliminary section, second is main body, and third one is reference section. Preliminary section of research report or paper consists of title page, acknowledgements, table of contents, list of tables, list of figures, and abstract. Main body of research report or paper consists of introduction, design of the study, analysis of data, summary, and conclusions. Reference section of research report or of paper consists of endnotes, bibliography or literature cited, and appendix. The Pakistan National Policy for the Education and Rehabilitation of the Disabled was formulated in 1985. The government of Pakistan approved this policy in October 2002. Hearing disability is severe when 65 to 95 decibel of hearing loss. Samuel Kirk coined the term learning disability. The construction of the reality in the child is written by Jane Piaget. Art of teaching is called pedagogy. Pakistan achieved independence from over a century of British colonial rule in August 1947, and at the time of the independence, 85% of the population of Pakistan was illiterate. A national education conference was convened in 1947 which recommended that universalization of primary education should be achieved within a period of 20 years. Which German scholar is considered the founding father of social pedagogy? Karl Megger. Progressive education is a pedagogical movement. Who was the founder of the movement? W. Du Bois. Which Brazilian educator is considered the founding father of critical pedagogy? Paulo Freire. What is the synonym of pedagogy? Teaching. The process of characterizing and appraising some aspect of an educational process is known as educational evaluation. Stability reliability is also called retest reliability. Which type of evaluation is done for identifying the problems of students? Diagnostic. Which type of evaluation is done during studies? Formative. The monitoring learning progress provides feedback to reinforce and correct learning errors in which type of evaluation? Formative. Measures of performance which interprets an individual's relative standing in some known group is norm reference. Measure of students' performance against a certain criteria is criterion referenced. The purpose of summative evaluation is to get information about essentials of कोर्स कंटेंट. तीन तरह की इवेल्युएशन है, समेटिव है, डायग्नोस्टिक है और फॉर्मेटिव है. तो समेटिव जो है उसका पर्पस क्या होता है? इवेल्युएशन. Summative evaluation is to get information about essentials of course content. The father of activity based curriculum is John Dewey. Curriculum is a fixed program of course. This is an old concept of curriculum. The total process of designing, implementing and evaluating a curriculum is called curriculum development. Prescriptive philosophy deals with right and wrong. Analytical philosophy deals with assessment. Deductive reasoning is the philosophy which is concerned with general to specific. The prior knowledge is independent to experience. The method of induction is concerned with specific to general. Physical environment of the school is considered as a hidden curriculum. Spiral sequencing was given by Brunner in 1966. There are four elements of curriculum. The important components of curriculum are objective, curricular content and methodology. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो. रोज़ाना कोशिश की जाएगी कि इतना कंटेंट जो है वो आपके साथ शेयर किया जाए. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी राय का इजहार ज़रूर कीजिए और किसी भी प्रॉब्लम की सूरत में आप लोग हमें अपनी आरा का इजहार कर सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में. वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और फिर से एक दफ़ा याद करवा दें कि चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.